This tutorial shows you how to lock your location in place, so apps and contacts see you as staying in one spot even when you're moving. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on About Phone. From there, tap on Software Information and then tap on Build Number 7 times in a row until you see a message saying Developer Mode has been enabled. At this point, go back to the main settings page and scroll down to find Developer Options, which should now be visible. In the next step, tap on Developer Options and scroll down until you find Select Mock Location app. Following this, before selecting it, go to the Google Play Store and download a mock location app. A reliable free option is Fake GPS Location by Lexa. Once done, go back to Developer Options and tap on Select Mock Location app. From here, select the Fake GPS app you just installed from the list. At this stage, open the Fake GPS app and search for or drop a pin on the location you want to freeze your location to. After this, tap the play button in the app to activate the fake location. Once completed, your device will now broadcast that pinned location to all apps, including Maps, WhatsApp, and Find My Friends. Finally, open any app that uses your location to confirm it is now showing your frozen location. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you freeze your location, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.